before you place an order on popstea.com/com. You might want to watch this review, because the internet is full of trendy clothing stores that look impressive at first glance but don't always deliver what they promise. Popstea.com promotes itself as a promise. Popstea.com promotes itself. Promotes itself as a promotes itself as a fashion-forward online shop offering graphic apparel and stylish clothing pieces at prices that appear surprisingly affordable, which is often the kind of deal that quickly catches shoppers' attention. The website design looks modern and the product images present the items as fashionable and appealing, which can easily give the impression that it's a well-established fashion brand. However, when examining the background of the site more carefully, a few details start to raise questions that buyers should be aware of before entering their payment information. Domain history checks show that the website does not appear to have a long operating history compared to many trusted online fashion retailers, which isn't automatically a red flag but is something shoppers typically consider when evaluating reliability. Reputation scores from several independent website safety tools also place the site somewhere in the middle range rather than strongly trustworthy, meaning the store doesn't necessarily show clear signs of being a scam, but also lacks strong trust signals commonly found on reputable e-commerce platforms. Another factor worth noting is that many newer online clothing stores use similar marketing tactics, including heavily discounted prices, eye-catching graphics, and limited brand transparency, which can make it harder for customers to verify who is actually operating the store. In situations like this, experienced online shoppers usually recommend checking verified customer feedback, reviewing the return policy carefully, and confirming secure payment protections before making any purchase. Overall, popstea.com presents itself as a trendy fashion destination. But like many new online stores, it's important to approach it with balanced caution. Verify important details independently, and make sure you're comfortable with the available trust signals before deciding whether or not to buy from the site.